Okay, we're doing a 360 of Tonopah right across from the Mizpah. So here we are in Tonopah, a very historic mining town in Nevada. So this is looking south on the main road. Here is the historic Mizpah Hotel. So they're doing some restoration on this old building right here. And it's always nice when somebody makes use of one of these old historic buildings. Here's an old storefront, but at least they're doing something with it. I love these old storefronts with the display windows on the sides. We are at the Hometown Pizza in Tonopah, Nevada. Pizza.
Pizza, and I'm having salad. I'm being good today. So it's all you can eat salad for Tom.
Yeah, for the next 5 minutes until he goes and gets pizza. So it is a really nice buffet, and it's from 11 to 2. It's $8.99 per adult. They have a really nice, so they've got soup. And they have a really nice salad bar. And brand new fresh pizzas they just made. And then you get a drink included with that. Good?
Yep.
Good. It's noon. The noon whistle.
Quick, run. There's a tornado coming.
Oh gosh, no. The noon whistle. Noon siren. So this is a historic building, and we'll tell you what it is when we get the pamphlet at home that we have at home. But it's been converted into like an Inn and Suites, and this is the name of it. It's called Jim Butler Inn and Suites. However, Tom thinks it should be called Cozy as Grandma's. They say that it's as cozy as Grandma's, but he thinks that that should be the name.
That'd be a heck of a name. It's always cozy at Grandma's.
That's right. go in the old hotel.
Ms. Paul.
Ms. Paul. That car is in the Harrah's Automobile Collection, now called the National Automobile Museum in Reno, Nevada. My dad worked for the Harrah's Automobile Collection for over 25 years before he retired. So this is really a shame. This cool, old, historic building is just a mess. We look a little windblown, huh? Well, our boondocking spot here in Tonopah, or outside of Tonopah, it was really, really windy when we were there for the week. It seemed like almost every day it was pretty windy, and then it got worse.
25 to 35 mile an hour winds every day while we were there.
And then Tom was seeing on the weather that today, Friday, was going to be really bad winds. So we moved yesterday to the little RV park behind Tonopah Station. We paid for 2 nights so that we would not be facing the wind broadside. We're facing, it would hit us in the back. And
it was too dangerous to stay out there in the boondocking area because we were right up next to one of the mountains, and the wind coming off the mountain was horrendously strong.
Yeah, and it's wasn't even the bad winds that are coming today.
Yeah.
And it's starting to get really pretty dang windy.
It's pretty windy here. We've got 39 mile an hour straight winds right now. They're gusting to 52.
every now and then you can hear the gusts just slam us. But we thought it would be better to be safe than sorry.
And then we see people driving down the highway with Class A's and fifth wheels and bumper pulls, and I'm like, what a bunch of idiots.
Yeah, we went to the grocery store today.
Not me.
And that was bad enough, just doing that in the truck.
I'm going to sit here in my chair and watch YouTube and Netflix and MLB. I'm going to watch my Cardinals tonight. Beat San Diego again.
So we're just catching some YouTube stuff. I'm doing some cleaning while we have full hookups. I'm going to get some meal prep done because we plan on boondocking again. We're going to travel tomorrow a little ways down the road.
If the wind dies down tomorrow. If the wind is still like this tomorrow, we'll stay an extra night here. I'm not driving in this.
Yeah, this place,
I got no place to be.
I don't think this place takes reservations anyway, so we're fine as long as we're in the spot. We just go in and pay for another night.
Yep.
So we're just, whoops, let me fix this. There, now I can see. Goober. I know better than to even think he's going to edit it out, right?
What?
Yeah, you. Anyway, so we just wanted to tell you about our nice windy. Oh, and we're right behind a, or right next to a loading dock for the said grocery store that we went to today. It's like, wow.
Hey.
But since Tonopah is out in the middle of nowhere, basically, it's not like you have 5 o'clock in the morning receiving at the loading dock.
It's all part of the adventure.
Hey, and we're safe. That's the main thing. We will not get blown over. So that was the night before, well, Wednesday night, because we moved over here yesterday. Wednesday night was kind of scary. We had some pretty big winds blowing us.
Not much sleep Wednesday night, because that wind was gusting 40 miles an hour at night.
Yeah,
and
just
it's
slamming
like, okay,
us.
let's get out of here.
Yep. So we came down here, and this is only about like a mile maybe from where we were. So it was...
Huge difference, though, in the wind speed.
Yes. Yeah, and we're not up against that hill.
No.
So we drove in the truck down here, talked to the gal at the registration desk, and she told us it was, you know, first come, first serve. You just pull into your spot, get set up, make sure you've got everything, and then come in and pay. So we went home, and we hurried up and quickly got everything packed up, and we were not ready to pack up, and we had been there a week. So, but I think we did a pretty good job getting things packed up pretty quick.
Not bad.
So I think the longest thing was Tom was complaining because I was doing the dishes. I said, I don't have anywhere to put dirty dishes to pack them up safely to move them.
Evidently the maid didn't come in all week.
That darn girl, I tell ya, she's a slacker. Ha, the butler wasn't around either. So anyway, that's our little update.